Thanks for connecting again. I'm Malika. I'm hosting this call today alone without Ivan.
Thank you very much for having us here. We are a team from FishWar. My name is Kingsley. I'm the COO of the project. And this FishWar is a survival game on SEI. And let's go to this. Okay, this is a general idea what is SEI. I will not go into details of what is SEI, but one thing to point out here is that we are riding on the scalability and high performance of SEI to deliver what GameFi users really want. They want speed and smooth gameplay experience. So a little bit background of FishWar is that we are setting our background in this radioactive wasteland, and users, they will get an NFT of a fish to battle within NPCs or other friends. It depends on which mode they want. It's either PvP or PvE. Okay, now the core problem that we are solving here is retention. We noticed that 90% of blockchain games really fail to retain users beyond the first 3 months, but we have achieved far more than that. We will share more about our stats later, and how do we deliver that is we give immersive gameplay, we give user-friendly onboarding process, and also the familiar mechanics to Web2, the conventional gamers like PvP and PvE mode to all our users. And also we have this task and mission placed for users to complete a certain task, and they will get prizes and rewards for that. Currently, we project the GameFi market to achieve more than 38 billion by 2028, and 70% of casual gamers will be willing to convert from Web2 to Web3. And we think we are on the right timing because we are already building next generation features like AI-powered AI features, and also scalable ecosystems that are really highly recommended by SEI Network. So this is what we have achieved in the past few months. We have just launched our game about 3-4 months ago, and current stage we are having this version 2 of FishWar. We have 1.112 million of community in total. The users that we have converted is 1.3 million, and the DAU, daily active users, stands at 13,000 active users, and monthly active users we have the delimiter is a little bit off. It's 37,000. Yeah, for our on-chain data, we have monthly transactions of 188,000, and we have 308 NFTs already minted. The daily transactions per user is about $1.6, and we have achieved a total transaction of 300,000, and the volume on chain is 140,000. And the retention rate, just like I mentioned just now, we actually set our benchmark of our 7-day retention rate to be 13,000, but we have achieved much more than that. It's 85% at the moment, and 30-day retention rate, which we expected to be 6%, but it turns out to be 65%. So eventually we have more than half of our users actually still playing the game even after 1 month. Yeah, for marketing side, in the past 3 months, we have grown our community by nearly 500,000. It's 487,000 community increased. New players converted from that will be 300,000, and the impression is about 20,000 average views on Telegram and Twitter. And we spend the total budget of relatively low, is 50,000 for our marketing budget, and our daily new users is about 3,000, and our CPR is as low as 0.02 Yes, this is a summary of our features in the game. We have this criminal versus adventure, PvE and PvE mode, and we have NFTs and also affiliate program for more users to play with. And yeah, I believe the time is up. I will not touch more about the details, but I hope that I have delivered the data and the general idea of FishWar accurately. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, Kingsley, for the pitch. Everything is pretty clear. Yeah, guys, if you have questions, please feel free to raise your hand or put your question here in the chat. Meanwhile, maybe you can tell us how exactly do you differentiate from your competitors?
Okay, so what we are differentiating ourselves from our competitors is that first, we have really attractive gameplay that is the core of all our GameFi projects, because we see there are a lot of games out there. They focus more about their tokenomics, how to make money for users, but we don't really focus on that because we believe that games should be fun. That is the core fundamentals for us. First, we deliver interesting gameplays for our users. Second, we help to convert Web2 users into our game. So what we do is we started with Southeast Asia, and then we expanded to other regions, even to Turkey. We have teams in Thailand, in Korea, in China. So what we do is we have local BD teams to help Web2 users, even for people like at their age of 40, 50s, they are not really IT literate. We help them to do step by step. This is what you can do to join the game and how you will play the game. So this is where we deliver more personalized guidance to our users, and this really helps us to penetrate the market faster, and we have really loyal customers, which they stay with us for a long time, as you can see from the retention rate. So this is, I think this is really what makes us stand out from other GameFi projects.
Okay, thanks. We've got a question here in the chat. How does the AI agent in FishWar create unique experiences for players compared to other AI-powered games?
Okay, so currently for our AI agents, we are applying to educate our users how to navigate in the games or any Q&A sessions. That is current stage of our AI agents. But in future, we are going to help the users, like let's say, to generate more attractive skins, attractive AI generated like these characters or their equipment. In future, we will also ask AI agents to come up with more modes, more adventures for users. Eventually, users, they will have like more fun playing the game, not just like fixed PvE or PvP, or they need to wait our internal developers to come up with more modes for the players to play with. So yeah, that is our current stage for our AI agent.
Okay, thanks. Another question: what strategies are you using to keep the player base growing and engaged beyond the initial 1 million plus players?
Okay, so the core strategy here is we really go down to the earth. Like we mentioned just now, we have a BD team in a lot of regions, from Vietnam to Malaysia to Singapore, Thailand, China, Japan, Korea, Turkey, and we are expanding to Latin America as well. Now we are looking to have some kind of partnerships with local community. So for these communities or KOLs, we don't really only focus on broadcasting online. We really go down to host offline events, invite them to our events and try out the games, and also explain to them what is the difference, what is so special about FishWar. And this is the first step of what we do with this market expansion. Secondly, we also work with a lot of Web2 game KOLs. If I'm not mistaken, we have about 3,000 in hand that we work really closely with all these traditional game KOLs. They have their own communities. They have really loyal gamers together with them, and we convert these gamers from Web2 industry. Now, what we foresee, actually what we notice in this Web3 industry is we have limited users within the industry. We need to convert more users from Web2, and this is our first step, taking ahead from what the other projects are doing. We work with Web2 KOLs. As well as we have Web3 KOLs as well, but what we emphasize is more on converting Web2 users into Web3. And also for our user onboarding process, it is much easier than other games out there. And eventually for retention part, we have, of course, in-house referral program. We have this daily task for users to complete. They can grow their characters from day to day. You will see something is growing within the game, and that is a kind of stickiness that we create between our platform and the users. So this is how we achieve higher retention rates compared to others.
Thanks. Yeah, so you convert Web2 users mostly with the help of KOLs, right?
With the help of KOLs and also our local BD team.
Okay, got you. Thanks. Yeah, and what is your business model? How do you make money?
Okay, we make money basically. Okay, let me go through this. Yes, we have this arena versus adventure mode, which is like PvE and PvP. For PV, okay, we have free mode and we have paid mode for users to when they come into the game. So if they go to the free mode, of course in return their rewards will be much lesser than those paid versions. So this is the first income stream that we created. The second one will be on the game, the fun side. Like we have one spin and win feature where they can spin, and we have some kind of lottery within the spin wheel. We will allocate a certain amount of money which accumulate from time to time, and eventually the prize pool will become bigger, and of course user will be more attractive to purchase the ticket for the spin and win. So that's the second part. And this egg is actually a kind of NFT, which this egg will they will get fish characters like this, like by random. So they purchase eggs, which the egg will be cracked and be turned into different fishes. It's a little bit like a mystery box or blind box that users that can purchase and get the excitement of hoping to get some mystery fishes or some special characters. We have some rare items on this, and yeah, and we have also other in-game items for them to purchase. Is quite similar to other GameFi projects like NFT purchase within the game. And for affiliate program, we have like for users, when they bring in new users, whatever the new users are spending on the platform, the referring users will get a cut from there, and also platform will earn from there as well. So this is how our platform is making money.
Okay, got you. Thanks. Yeah, guys, if you want to connect after the call with Kingsley, here in the chat you can find his Telegram and email. And yeah, thank you so much, Kingsley, for the pitch.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for joining again, and see you next week.